Today we're working on Amber's wagon, and being a wagon, that means that there is a big load floor in the back, which is somewhat hampered by the fact that the bottom rear false floor thing is missing. And because it's a wagon, they never come up for sale, and when they do, they're extremely expensive. So for a lot less money than that, Amber painstakingly made this cardboard template, which we are today going to turn into wood. Yeah, nice cardboard template. Transfer it to that wood that she went and bought. I have no idea what wood that is. She just went and bought wood.
I don't know, it was pine something.
Pine? I don't know anything about wood. I don't know if that's good or not. But we're just gonna cut that out, upholster it, and put it in.
Yay.
Yay. And the interior will look far, far more complete on this car. So let's go play with saws. Oh yeah, I left the
Made this more of a maze, didn't you?
Yep. Left the KLR on.
Oh, that's not good.
Repair completed, so we'll see if the battery came back or not. Oh, and there's the Sharpie that we're gonna need. Let's see if I unplug and replug the charger. What do we have? Yeah, it says the voltage came back up. Nice. So you just handed him your template and said, cut out something that's big enough to make this?
No, actually, I found this piece of wood that was just barely big enough.
Oh, this is just literally how it came. Well, that's neat.
Because they're like, if you go towards the back, there's a spot that's got like scrap pieces of wood.
If you butt it up against, if this corner and that side are supposed to be straight, then if you line it up so that those are on the edges, then that's two fewer cuts that we have to make. There we go. Now we'll move. Which side of this is the back of the car?
This will be towards the tailgate.
Okay.
And then this is where it will connect with the rest of it.
So find the middle this way and mark it. And then how wide are we going to want this handle
I don't
to
know.
be?
I say we just make it the same size as the other one that's in the car.
Probably that wide?
Yeah.
So mark 20 and 25, I think.
25.
2 inches in depth, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
So make a dot an inch on either side of this one.
So what, at 3 and 5?
Yeah.
That's a very big handle. Is the one in the car that? I guess that makes sense. Okay.
Yep. And so then I'm going to drill 4 holes there and cut out that hole. All right. Time for a test fit.
We're probably going to have to sand this up, I'm sure.
Yeah, we'll see. Oh God, it's raining. Really?
The tabs over here are like keeping it from like it's not quite flush on this side, so it'll need to be shaved down.
I think we might want to take some off
Here too.
here. Yeah.
Splinter! Owie!
Okay, let's go Sandaroonie. Yeah, it fits better.
I wonder, could we mark right here?
Yeah, I think,
and kind of do like a small like.
yeah, I think if we notch. Yeah, I think if we notch that out, that would help a lot.
Okay, let me go grab the marker.
That fit a lot easier?
I feel like marker. The problem is like Should I shave off more for the simple fact we're doing the carpet though?
How thick's the carpet?
You tell me, you're the one about it.
I don't know, I haven't looked at it.
I think that's as close as we're gonna get it unless we want to stand here around and sand all day.
I mean, that is woodworking projects. They're just sanding all day. So now for the fun part, you get to go figure out how to get carpet on it. There's some pretty complex angles here though.
Yeah, but we'll tackle them as they come.
All right, well,
you can teach me what I don't know.
No, I don't know shit. So it's all on you.
Oh, jeez, thanks.
Got the upholstery done, and in the meantime I catted up this handle, and that just fits right in there like that. And then if we flip it over, we've got 4 holes, I think 3 millimeters, and a plate that screws onto those holes and affixes the whole thing down, countersunk screws, etc., and that'll keep it from popping out. There we go, and that'll keep the handle from popping out and keep stuff from falling down into the area underneath this cover. I think that looks pretty good. Good timing on this. It is it's getting dark out. Oh, and it's still misting. Wonderful. All right, let's see it. Shut up.
That was a whole sound.
Nice! And how easy is it to lift it up and get underneath it? Pretty good if you didn't have your storage overflowing there. Yeah, put more stuff in there now. All the essentials. Nice!
I can still use my little D-rings and stuff. Put my bowl back over there.
Wow, that actually fits
Really good.
really dang good, and I don't think you could. I printed this so that all of these surfaces were down on the build plate, so I don't think you can really clock this as being 3D printed right off the bat, but dang, that looks so much more finished. Even the ambulance and the fire truck approve because it's that part of town. All right, well, there you go. We recreated a rare part that you basically can't buy, and great success. I'm getting wet. Thanks for watching.